Hey, this is Brad Eccles of Extol Realty. Hope you're having a blessed day. Before I do this quick market update, just want to mention a couple of things. First, if you're looking to list your house or considering listing your house, we're running some special programs right now that can save you thousands of dollars in commission. So don't hesitate to shoot me an email or text me, and I'll be more than happy to tell you more. In addition, if you're looking for a free home value report, just reach out as well. Shoot me a text or email, and more than happy to provide you a free home value report. But let me dive into a quick market update to kind of let you know what's going on with the real estate market. Inventory on homes right now is at about 2.3 months. If you look over the past couple of years, you see it for a while. It was almost at 1 month of home inventory, and then as we got into the latter part of last year, it went up to just about 2.5 months of home inventory, and it has pulled back a little bit as this year has progressed. To put that in perspective, historically speaking, about 6 months of home inventory is normal. And what that means when you're looking at where we're at today at 2.3 months of inventory, that means if not a single person listed a house and not another house was built on the market, and we are talking about Metro Atlanta, including our area, it would take 2.3 months for every home that's currently on the market to be sold if nobody else put a home on the market. So that kind of tells you where we're at. Anything below 6 months of inventory is considered a seller's market. So we're definitely still in a seller's market. If you look at this next slide here, list to sales ratio. This means what a house was listed for and what it sold for and what that ratio is. So if you listed for $400,000 and it sold for $400,000, that means your list to sales ratio is at 100%. And you will see over the last couple of years, we've been hovering right around this 100% line. And most of the latter half of 2021 and into 2022, we were listing at a price and selling pretty much for the exact same price. As we went into the first part of last year, homes are selling well over asking price typically. And then when the high interest rates hit in the last part of 2022, you can see this big drop where homes started selling below asking price, but not much, just a few percentage points below. And as we've moved into this year, guess what? Homes have moved back up to where they're selling pretty much right at asking price, sometimes slightly over. So it's kind of interesting to see how that's happened with people kind of adjusting to the new interest rates. And what we've seen on pricing has been kind of similar. We saw pricings climb, and then they pulled back a little bit at the latter part of last year when interest rates got so high. But look what we're seeing this year. So January hit, and guess what? Home values are starting to climb again. Median sale prices increased 7.8% in the second quarter, from $370,000 in March to $399,000 in June. And the average sales price in June was $485,000. So we've seen home values continue to climb, not at the same rate as what they did at the first part of last year, but we are seeing those home values climb again. So in summary, after a brief slowdown at the end of last year, it is still a seller's market with good demand and pricing holding. Market is red hot in the 500-ish price point and below. As we move up that price chain and you look at homes in the upper fives and 600 and 700,000 range, those homes are a little bit harder to sell. They're still selling. They're just taking a little more time. But definitely in the 500s and below, red hot price area, and homes are selling very fast. And it's taken on average right now about 1 month to get a home under contract, where last year during the first part of 2022, we were seeing homes honestly go under contract in a matter of days. We're now seeing it take about 1 month, which is still very fast. It's just not as fast as what it was last year. So still a seller's market, but sellers often are having to give some concessions when they sell a home, helping out a little bit with closing costs or something like that. But it's still a very good market to sell in. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and you have a blessed day.